Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cantina and this is Reviews with Cantina Glover. And today I'm going to be unboxing a humidifier. I've already opened it, but this is the Ultrasonic Humidifier, and can y'all see it? And it is whisper quiet. It has cool mist. It soothes dry skin, and it has a 360-degree dual mist nozzle. And let's see, it's a essential oil tray. It has an essential oil tray down here. It has an auto shut off for when the water goes out, so you can see it right here. It's a 1 gallon water tank, and it's also filterless. That's what I like. It's filterless. So let's get into this thing. Let me put this box right here. Okay. So this is the top part. In the top part, it has the 300, do y'all see? It has the 360 degrees thing. And this is where you put your water in here. And it comes out right there. As you can see it. Okay, that's the top. And let's see, get this bottom out. Well, I got the, okay. And here is the bottom. You'll see. And it has, let me see where the little tray is. Right here, guys. Sorry, I spilled water. But this is the, y'all see that? Yeah, y'all can see that. You just have to run your finger on and it turns on. But here is the, right here. This is the, where you put your essential oils. Right here. And see, you click it back. And I guess if you have extra water, I don't know. I don't know if the water, I guess all the water would come out. I've used it for just a few minutes, but you don't. You, see, you put right here the water. And you gotta make sure it's on. But here's the indicator of how much water you have in it. And it says to only use filtered water, because if you use, if you use water out of the sink, especially if you have like hard water, it'll build up in it, and then I guess it won't work really well. I don't know, but I'm going to use bottled water because that's what it says. And because I have really bad asthma, they sent this for me for reviews to see if I liked it, and you know, if I would help them and promote it on my channel. And so I'm going to leave the link in the description in the bottom, so y'all can, if you want, you know, if you want to get a cool mist humidifier. It works wonderful, and it's so quiet. You don't even know it's on. And if you see by the box, you see how the water's doing, how it's making the mist, and that's exactly how it looks whenever it lights up. But you don't even hear it running. And then it just turns off whenever it gets no water is in the tank. It just turns itself off. So it's really nice and it's really good, and I've really enjoyed the comfort. I really enjoyed the brand. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you also. It has a 2-year warranty, but I really enjoy Everlasting Comfort. The little signatures right there. Everlasting Comfort. Sending that to me for reviews. I really like it, and it's just a great humidifier, which someone with asthma, they need one that does essential oils, because essential oils really do help, especially like during this winter. I mean, it's still winter, but when we had an ice storm here in Mississippi, yeah, this girl was sick. This girl couldn't breathe. It was just bad. Excuse me, I had to get some drink. But I really like that. I like the humidifier. I like how it's, you know, so easy to deal with, and it's just a little sensor that you just rub and it turns on, then rub and it turns off. And the Everlasting Comfort brand has a lot more items on their Amazon account, but this brand, it's really good, and I really like it. If you would like to get one, which I'll leave the thing on the description, but it's everlastingcomfort.net, and has a 2-year warranty, so you can't beat that. It has a 2-year warranty, and I really love this thing. It even shows you right here how it looks. I love that it's essential oils. I love the little box. It has a little handle. It's really a nice humidifier. Okay, and so the next one I'm going to do is, now y'all know this girl loves some Macy's and some perfume. And of course my husband was happy because they sent him 2. They sent me 2. So I've got, let me show you what kind we got. So I want to, I'm sorry y'all, I should have had all these done. I just want to make sure that they're right. Versace Euros for men. Can y'all see? My husband really liked that one, and he smelled really good. And then they sent some Angel Nova by Mugler. Can y'all see? And of course, I really like that. It smells really nice. And the next 2 they sent was Michael Kors Gorgeous. And of course it smelled good and I felt gorgeous. And the next that I really liked on my husband was this Hugo Boss. Boss by Hugo Boss, I should say. And it smells really good too. Smells really awesome. But so those are the 2 things that I wanted to show that I got for reviews. And of course, who doesn't like, you know, who doesn't like perfume and cologne, especially expensive, nice brands. My husband loves it. They sent him 2, and they sent me 2. And of course I got this card. Can you see it? And it says, discover the scents you love. visit our scent explorer at macys.com/fragrance. And take our scent quiz and build a fragrance wardrobe full of your faves. Yes, and then we wouldn't have any money because we all know that they are some good colognes and perfumes at Macy's. So I wanted to say thank you for them sending me this, and for Everlasting Comfort sending me this wonderful humidifier. I really like all my good items that they send. So I want to thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me, and I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.